I decided to come in and just do a really quick video on how I'm wearing my hair this morning. It's Tuesday morning. I'm getting ready to go to work in the next room, as you know. And so now, this is how I decided to style my hair. I knew it wouldn't take very long. So, here we go. And all I'm going to do is grab my faithful goodie clip. And I'm ready for work, guys. I'm ready for work. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Remember, this sister loves you. Remember, I love you. My subscribers, my family, and my friends, and I especially love God, because His mercies are new every morning. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. If you like it, someone else might too. Have a great day.